Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you what to do if someone files a fraudulent IRS tax return in your name. If you're new to my channel, please hit the like, subscribe button. This is just an important video. I'm speaking from personal experience. This happened to me. So the first thing that's going to happen, you're going to receive a letter from the IRS for a tax return that you did not file. They may send you a letter that says they suspect fraud. They might not. But what you'll have to do was we'll need to take two steps. The first step that you'll need to do is you're going to need to file a police report, because now someone has defrauded you, and depending on how much money they took in, because see what happens is the IRS will accept the fraudulent return and pay on it. So then what you have to do is file a police report. That's important, step number one. Number two, you need to contact IRS directly yourself, not somebody else, yourself. And then they're going to have you contact their fraud department. And what's going to happen at that point is you're going to have to answer some security questions to verify your identity. And you're going to need to make sure that you have your paperwork that proves that you did not file this return. Because this can become really bad, especially if you don't know it. What happened to me was I filed everything that I just told you, and then it got pushed under the rug, and then I still ended up, with a situation. So what I had to then do is I had to call back, and actually things have changed now. So what you have to do now is you have to call the IRS Advocate Service, and they'll transfer you to the IRS customer service, because right now, if you call the main IRS number, they're going to tell you to call back tomorrow or something weird like that. So call this IRS Advocate. You Google it, you'll see it. It's supposedly some group of people that are helping with the IRS stuff. They didn't want to help me. They just told me they'd transfer me back to the IRS. And then when you call the IRS, this is probably a separate video, but I'll give you this secret tip. When you call the IRS, do the callback option. Don't sit on hold. The callback option does work. Save you a lot of time, okay? So do the callback option. Be prepared to answer security questions. Have your tax documents with you. So, just to recap, if you find out someone filed a fraudulent tax return in your name, you need to file a police report. You need to contact the IRS, and they're going to have you contact the IRS fraud department. And you're going to need to make sure that they follow through on their investigation. You're going to need to make sure that you have detailed notes. You need to make sure that you follow it through to make sure that they confirm that it is fraud. You'll get a letter that says it's fraud. And once you get that letter, then you're going to wait. And then hopefully, if everything goes right and they confirm that it is fraud, then they'll undo these things off your name. Because if not, you'll have a lien against your assets. It's not nothing you want to deal with. So make sure that you like, subscribe to the channel, and also make sure that you keep an eye on your personal information. These hackers and these criminals are out there to take our information, and you need to be vigilant and make sure that you like, subscribe. See you on the next video.